Hello there, my name is Etho, and welcome to another Blockbuster tutorial. In today's video, we will be showing how to record a cinematic roleplay using Blockbuster. The scene we will be recreating is two students bumping into each other in a hallway. With that out of the way, let us begin. We'll start off by recording the first student's movements. Just a simple walk cycle will do. Maybe a pause here. Then, at a specific point, we'll fall backward to add movement to when the two actors collide into each other. Next, we'll record the second student. Remember the exact point in time where you bumped into the first, and when the time comes, recreate the same action. The next step is animating. The actors I used for both recordings are sequencer morphs, so we can animate them in the menu. We'll set the duration of the first recording to time at the point of collision, and the second morph will be the student falling down, which we can animate in the pose editor. I sometimes like to cheat and use a preset pose. The process can take some time, so don't be afraid to tinker with the duration and animation time. If anything, I'd recommend messing with it. Sometimes you can get something even better than you expected. You can also add effects like eye blinking or movement using the eye rig. I'm going to have the first student shut her eyes when she falls down so it looks more lively. Maybe I'll shave off half a tick. Perfect. Now we'll just do the same thing for the male student. I think I'll do something a little bit different with him too. I'm going to position his body slightly backwards and use his arms to keep him upright. Alright. That looks pretty good. Oh dear. In order to fix this, we just need to lower the duration of the sitting actor and animate him getting up. We'll use two actors for this, a sneaking pose and a standing pose. And if you want to add something extra, let's close the student's eyes during the sneaking phase so it looks like he's struggling to get up. Now, all we gotta do is do the same thing for the female student. Something I recommend tinkering with is the duration of the animation. Each model in the sequencer has its own duration. It's right under the ignored tab, which tells the animation how fast or slow you want it to play. It can really impact your final product. Looks good. I think for an extra effect, we'll animate the eyes so that it gives the actors a surprised look. I'll just resize the pupil so that they look smaller and move them forward so you can see them. And there you have it, a fully animated scene for any high school roleplays. I hope you learned something new in today's video. As always, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below or join McHorse's Discord, which is linked in the description. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and goodbye!